Unplanned breakdowns are expensive, disruptive, and with the right system almost entirely preventable. VLC Maintenance Management gives your team one AI-powered workspace to track assets, schedule maintenance, and stop failures before they happen, built natively inside Microsoft Business Central. The moment a fault is detected, a work order is created automatically. Technicians get notified on mobile, scan the asset on site, and follow a guided checklist. No paperwork, no guesswork. The built-in AI engine analyzes fault history and sensor data to predict failures before they occur, and schedules preventive maintenance automatically. Less downtime. Longer asset life. Every work order, repair, and sign-off is logged automatically, giving you a complete audit trail and compliance reports that are always ready. From fault to fixed, and smarter for next time. That's VLC Maintenance Management.